This video will demonstrate the installation steps of the Solis Residential Energy Storage. Before installation, please read the manual and check the packaging list. Please prepare the corresponding tools for product transportation, installing, wiring, etc. on site. Product unloading. Arrange for 2 installers to unload the product from the transport vehicle. It is recommended to use a hand truck e-trolley to transport the unopened product to the installation site. Unpacking the battery. Unpack the outer carton of the battery. Remove the accessory kit, side cover plate, and wall mounting bracket. Remove the plastic protective bag. Unpacking completed. Wall mount the battery. Place the level from the hardware kit on the surface of the mounting bracket to ensure the bracket is horizontal. Determine the installation points for the bracket. It is recommended that the installation point height be at least 50 centimeters above the ground. Select a drill bit that matches the M6 expansion bolt and drill holes at the installation points on the wall. With the slot side of the mounting bracket facing upward, snap it onto the expansion bolts, then tighten the 2 expansion bolts, respectively, to ensure a firm installation. 2 persons lift the battery from the recesses on both sides, align it with the slots of the mounting bracket, and engage the battery to ensure it is securely installed. Unpacking and install the inverter. Confirm the inverter installation point above the main battery. It is recommended that the installation point be 100 centimeters higher than the battery. Use a drill bit that matches the specifications of the inverter mounting bracket bushing to drill holes at the installation points on the wall. Use screws to secure the inverter mounting bracket to the corresponding points, ensuring that the bracket is installed firmly. 2 persons lift the inverter from both sides, align it with the slots of the mounting bracket, and engage the inverter to ensure it is securely installed. Install the cable. Prepare the positive and negative power cables and the communication cable. Install the positive and negative power cables on the battery side. Install the wiring protection cover plate on the side of the battery. According to the cable type, route the wire through the corresponding cable channel at the bottom of the inverter. Install the AC side cable and connect the communication cable to the BMS module port. Install the ground wire. The battery and inverter must be grounded separately. Install the CT ammeter. Install the PV connection cable. Install the grid connection cable. Install the load connection cable. Install the smart port connection cable. Ensure all cables are installed securely and in place. Install multiple batteries. When installing multiple battery systems, ensure that the spacing between 2 batteries is not less than 30 centimeters. When multiple batteries are installed, please install the inverter above the master battery to facilitate wiring. When installing the power cables on the battery side for multiple batteries, connect the positive and negative terminals between batteries according to the corresponding polarity. When installing the communication cables on the battery side for multiple batteries, connect the link out of the upper level battery to the link in of the next level battery. System startup and setting. Before starting the system, Please recheck the cable routing to ensure all connections are secure and there is no risk of short circuit. Close the battery main circuit breaker. Press the battery power button. Start the inverter and wait for the inverter screen to light up. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth, open the Solis Cloud app, select Service, and then tap Quick Commission. In the Bluetooth device list, select the Bluetooth device corresponding to the data logger's Bluetooth signal and enter the Quick Commission setup. Step 1. Establish the network connection for the data logger. Step 2. Device configuration. Basic parameters, set the system time, battery parameters, and meter ACT settings. Energy storage mode, set the storage operation mode. System self-check. Step 3. Create plant. Basic plant information. Account settings. More settings, operation, and maintenance related information. Configuration complete.